Hi everyone, I'm Teacher Al. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today our topic is about absolute value. If we're going to define absolute value is the distance from 0 on the number line. This is the number line. Now, there's a question, what is the distance between 0 and -5? So our answer is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 units. Disregard the sign. What is the distance between 0 and 5? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The answer is 5 units. That's our example. The symbol for absolute value is 2 bars. Now, find the absolute value of a number. We're going to find number 1. Find the absolute value of -18. Our answer is, if it is negative, the answer is positive. Number 2, what is the absolute value of -35 is positive 35. And the absolute value of positive 12 is 12. The absolute value of positive 45 is 45. The absolute value of -8 is positive 8 times negative equals -8. Pag mayroon ditong negative, nagiging negative ang ating final answer for the absolute value. So, sa loob, positive 11, the absolute value is positive 11 times the negative sign equals -11. Okay guys, that's the end of our computation. Hoping you learned something. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.